Hello and welcome to Spark of Vintage. Today we're taking on a challenge from Sonnet's Garden Blooms' creative community and doing a DIY flip on this vintage aluminum cake caddy. We used IOD transfers and DIY paint in Crinoline. So stick around for this quick 2-minute flip and we'll see you at the end. Well, that's a wrap of this vintage cake caddy. Thanks again for joining us today, and we'll see you next time at Spark of Vintage.